What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back. You guys have probably missed Lieutenant Dan a little bit. So let me give you an update of where we're at with Lieutenant Dan, and then we're going to make a little more progress on it. So I've done a lot of work on this off camera just because it's been things where I'll just come out in the garage for a half an hour and put a few bolts on here and there, but I am reassembling. So here's where we're at. We've got the new fuel tank in, new fuel tank skid plate, new fuel filler hose and vent hose, new fuel sending unit with new rubber lines for all the fuel stuff, new ground wire. We've got brand new shocks all the way around. We have an exhaust, which I'm quite proud of. I built this myself. I actually had an exhaust shop bend the piece that goes over the axle. Let me give you a better view. So I had them bend that, but I ordered a muffler, and I just ordered a muffler. I don't know much about mufflers. So I just ordered one off of Summit Racing, and look how well that fits in there. I'm pretty proud of that. So it's nice and secure. We got a hanger over here. I actually welded this exhaust together. It goes from the exhaust manifold 2-inch, then couples up to 2.5-inch through the muffler, 2.5-inch out. So that turned out really nice. We've got the block painted. I threw paint on the exhaust and intake, even though that's not going to last. Got the transmission and transfer case and all the shifter linkage painted. Everything's all painted. I kind of went out on a limb and painted the valve cover white. I don't know how long that's going to last. I'll probably be repainting it pretty quickly, but that's easy to take off and repaint. I was going to do kind of a satin silver, but I had some paint in the cupboard, some white paint, and I was like, heck, let's just try it. So it looks really cool right now, but it's not going to last. I already know that. So I've got the new body mounts all put on. Just like that. Got everything. I've got one more piece for this that I'm almost done with, but then this is all the vent stuff for the kind of the fuel exhausts. This kind of ties up into a charcoal canister up there. So I'm almost done with that, but here is where we are at. I've got all the body mounts on for the tub. The tub is, as you guys know, the underside at least is done, is ready to go. So we're going to put the tub on the chassis with the help of someone, I don't know who yet, but we're going to put the tub on the chassis, get it mounted up, and then we're going to start sanding and getting ready to paint this thing. Now, I've been dreading sanding this and doing the body work, but then last week I had a realization. It is literally two sides that are completely flat. You know, because the firewall's all done, the underside's all done. I'm going to do bed liner on the inside of it. So this is going to be so easy to paint compared to painting the OG crew cab. So we're going to start doing that, prepping it for body work and paint, get the tub painted. Another big update is I ended up getting some brand new aftermarket fenders right here. Found them actually in California. They've been sitting out here for a couple days, so they're a little dirty, but they're brand new. Luckily, my uncle lives very close to where they were, so he actually drove them up here for me. He was on his way up here. He didn't make a special trip to deliver fenders, but anyways, got some fenders, so we have all the body panels we need, and we're gonna be rocking and rolling on getting this thing put back together. So let's get this tub back on the chassis. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the progress on Lieutenant Dan. Slowly but surely is the name of this project, I think. But we're getting there. Trying to button it back up. I've got to work on the wiring harness now, get the pedals in, bed line the tub, and then we can get the interior put in, and then we'll be ready to sand and paint. So it's turning into a long project, but it's still an enjoyable one. It's like I said at the beginning, it's one I just kind of put in 30 minutes here, an hour there, and just kind of work on it as I have time. So I'm still enjoying it, just not working on it super fast. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for the support on the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.